In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down option to forms in Wix. Whether you're looking to streamline user input or just add an extra layer of functionality to your contact forms, this guide will lead you through each step necessary to achieve a polished result. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to log into Wix. Head over to the Wix website by entering www.wix.com into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Login button and go ahead and access the website that you want to edit. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you already do, we'll proceed by opening your specific site. Next, it's time to open the Wix editor to make some changes. From your dashboard, look for the Edit Site button and give it a click. This action will open up the Wix editor, where you'll be able to manage all aspects of your forms. The interface is user-friendly, so navigating through it should be a breeze. Now let's add or select the form you want to work with. If you haven't yet added a form to your site, click on the plus add icon located on the left side of your screen, then navigate through Contact and Forms and select Contact Form. However, if you already have a form on your page, just click on it to begin editing. With your form open, we're ready to add a drop-down field. Access the form settings and click on the plus add new field option, then select Dropdown. You'll notice that a new drop-down field appears in your form. This is where the real customization begins. Customizing your drop-down is a crucial step to ensure it fits your specific needs. Click on the newly added drop-down field, which will open up its settings. Here you can add various options such as option 1, option 2, option 3, and so on. You can also set a default value for the field, toggle whether the field is required, and edit the field label. For instance, select your topic to guide users on what input you need from them. To enhance the aesthetics, you'll want to adjust the design of your dropdown. This includes choosing the right font, color, and size to match your overall form style. Don't forget, you can also resize and drag the dropdown to reposition it within the form layout, ensuring everything looks neat and tidy. Finally, it's time to preview and publish your work. Click on the Preview button to test the functionality of your dropdown field. Make sure that users can choose an option and submit the form without any issues. Once you're satisfied that everything is working as intended, it's time to click Publish to make your changes live on the site. Congratulations, you've successfully added a drop-down to your Wix form. By following these steps, you should have a fully functional drop-down in your forms, enhancing user interaction and capturing useful data from site visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!